Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, allergies can cause a cough that mimics lung disease. Allergies often inflame the airways, causing coughing, wheezing, or shortness of breath. But allergy coughs usually come with sneezing, itchy eyes, and nasal congestion, which serious lung diseases don't have. If your cough lasts weeks or worsens, see a doctor for the right diagnosis and treatment.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.